Taratya. My ID number is 1025009 I want a presentation about computer and hardware. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes data to produce information. One, input. Input for receive data like keyboards, mouse, and sensor. Two, processing. Processing for manipulates data using CPU. Three, output. Output for displays result like screen and printer. And four, stores data for future use like hard drive and cloud. And next, type of computer. Type 1, personal. Description is for individual use. For the example is like desktop, laptop, and tablet. And type 2 is server. And the description is for handles networking requests. For the example is like web server and database. 3. Supercomputer. The description is like high speed for complex tasks. For the example, like NASA Frontier and weather forecasting. And for embed, description is built into device like examples like smartwatch and the system. And 5, mobile. Description is like portable handlet. For the example is like smartphone. And next 3, how computer works is one binary system for everything in 1 second or and 1 0 second and 1 second like bit or bit to byte. 2, instruction for program tell CPU what to do. And 3, clock speed. Clock speed for measured in billions of cycles. And for networking, networking is to connect to via internet. Next is main component of computer. CPU. One CPU or central processing unit is brain of the computer. 2, RAM is temporary memory for running program. 3, storage is SSD for permanent data. And 4, motherboard is connect to all parts. And 5, input or output device is like keyboard and monitor. Next is now I want a presentation about hardware. Next is what is a hardware? Definition of hardware is the physical parts of a computer can be seen and touched. The main function of hardware include is like 1, data processing is several type of hardware primarily function as data processor. And 2, input reception is input device such as mouse, keyboard, and scanner function to enter data into the system. And 3, output provision. Output provision is after the data is processed, the storage device the storage device function to store the information permanently. And output provision and 3, output provision. In addition to the main device, there are also additional devices or peripherals that support connectivity and other functions. Sorry. This is a for safe and efficient information storage. Next is type of hardware is one input device. Input device and input device is a piece of hardware that allows a user to enter comments or data into a computer like mouse, scanner, and joystick. And two, processing device. Pro- is Processing device is responsible for data received from the input device like CPU and GPU. And the three, storage device. This hardware function to store data in various forms. And four, output device. Output device display the result of data processing like monitor, printer, speaker. And the last device hybrid. Device hybrid, some hardware has dual function as input and output, such as touchscreen and external hard disk. The example of hardware and their function is one, hard drive. The hard drive is the primary storage device in a computer. And two, keyboard. The keyboard is an input device used to enter data and instructions. And three, camera. A computer camera such as a webcam is used to capture image or video. And for microphone, a microphone is an input device that converts sound into digital signals. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye bye.